Alright, so we're going to try something new. I've never done it before. Well, I did one end, but I'm going to show you what I did. I got a cable here that's going to go on my 37A snowblower from John Deere, and I'm replacing the cable. Now this is a stainless steel cable that is recommended for this project, but to keep it from fraying, what I have here is just some regular solid wire solder. I don't solder very much, so I wasn't going to go out and buy a big bar or anything like that, so this came from the hardware store. I also have some flux, regular paste flux, and in the vise here I've got just a cap. This is just a pipe cap, a half, I think this is a 3/4 inch pipe cap from, it's black pipe because it's the least expensive there is. And what I did is I took my torch here and some of the solder. Now you can go and get a soldering pot and all that stuff, but again, I don't do this very much, so I'm not going to go spend a bunch of money on just one single project. But I took some of the solder and just melted it into the cap. So I got some now in the cap, and I'm going to take my cable here and I'm going to spread it open a little bit like so, and I'm going to dip it in the flux. There you go. I don't know how much I'm supposed to do this, but it worked on the last one. Just kind of goop it up, make sure that the flux gets between the strands in there. And then twist it all back together. So it's the smallest profile that you can get. I'm going to take my torch here, and I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to just apply heat to this cap so I can melt that solder. And when I'm sure that it's all liquid and good and hot, I will dip the cable in there. And then we pull out the cable, and here we go. We have soldered the end of the cable. And it won't fray on us now. Let's take it out in the sunlight and get a better look. Alright, here are my two cable soldered ends. I'm pretty sure they won't come apart.